In this video, we're going to explore how to change mixed numbers into simplified improper fractions. The word simplified means they're going to be completely reduced. The word improper implies the numerator will be larger than the denominator. Okay, since your directions say they need to be simplified, the first thing you're going to want to do is just look at the fraction itself. Ignore the whole number in front of it and make sure that it is simplified. So when I look at my first example, I look at that fraction 3/4, and that is simplified. So I don't have to simplify now or at the end. I'll be able to now know my final answer will be in simplified form. Now I'm ready to convert it to an improper fraction. The phrase we use to help you remember is to make it mad. The M stands for the fact I'm going to multiply. The A reminds me that then I'm going to do an addition. And then the D stands for keep the same denominator. Don't change your denominator. So I like to start out by just copying that denominator. Now I'm going to think about what I'm going to multiply together. I start with the denominator, then I multiply it times the whole number, the 2, then I add to that the numerator, the 3. So whatever 4 times 2 plus 3 is will give me my new numerator. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So my final answer is 11/4. Notice 11 and 4 cannot be divided by the same number. It's simplified, and it's because I checked to make sure 3/4 was simplified. All right, let's look at my second example. In this example, the 8/32 does simplify. 8 and 32 can both be divided by 8. So I'm going to change this to 3 and I'm ready to simplify that fraction. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 32 divided by 8 is 4. Now, again, we keep our denominator. To get our new numerator, the process is start with the denominator, multiply it by the whole number, then add to that the numerator. So I get 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. The only other thing I want to address, what if you have a negative symbol in any of these, like negative here and negative here? The only way the answers change is the fractions now become negative. The process does not change at all.